How to use Rabby Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what Rabby Wallet is. Rabby Wallet is a multi-chain wallet that supports multiple blockchains, features auto-chain switching when connected to the apps, and provides enhanced transaction transparency to prevent phishing and scam. So firstly, go ahead and open your app store and tap on the search bar there and search for Rabby Wallet and download the application. Once downloaded, tap on the Create a New Wallet option and create wallet on the Rabby setup screen. You will then be required to set a strong password for your wallet. So go ahead and do that and then write down the 12-word recovery phrase displayed on the screen. Confirm your recovery phrase by entering it in the correct order, and now tap on the Import Wallet option on the setup screen and enter your existing wallet's recovery phrase or private key. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the import process. And now to add cryptocurrencies to wallet, firstly, open the wallet and then tap on Settings and then on Networks. Add a custom RPC URL or chain ID and currency symbol if the network is not pre-listed. And if you want to receive cryptocurrency, then open Rabby Wallet and select the blockchain you want to use. Further, tap on Receive to display your wallet address and then copy the wallet address or use the QR code to share with the sender. And if you want to send cryptocurrency, tap on Send in the Rabby Wallet and then enter the recipient's wallet address and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Specify the amount to send and review the transaction details, including gas fees. Further, confirm the transaction. So this was about Rabby Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.